you guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Jasmine, so welcome. As you can see by the title, your girl has a problem basically. So you guys liked my last video, so I decided that I was gonna do a new video. By the way, I have the window open, the cars are gonna be driving by, whatever, and it's mad nice outside, so everyone's outside. Like, everyone's outside, but they should be inside, but everybody's outside. So we'll just get started. So I went to Target, obviously y'all knew that, and I bought some more stuff. So I'll just go into it. The first thing that I got was this hat. It's not in any particular order either. So I got this hat. This is for Aiden, but I'm gonna be wearing it because it goes with my outfit today. So there's that. So I got this hat. He's gonna wear this on Mother's Day. I also got this bag. The bags were on sale for 15% off, so I bought this. I'll just throw everything over here. I thought this was super cute. I got this because obviously, like, I wanted to him to wear the hat, so I plan on wearing this on Mother's Day. Obviously I need like a nude kind of bag anyways. Like, I need a nude color bag anyways. Like, I have one, but that's about it. Like, I only just have one crossbody bag, and I love crossbody bags, so this is one of them. So I like the fact that it's a handle, but then if I wanted to, I can just attach the strap, and it has like this like little hook here. And yeah, these were, like I said, on Target, it was 15% off. So if you guys don't have the app, by the way, you guys need to download the app, just because when something's on sale online, if you go in the store, you can have them price match it, and then they'll change the price. So these in store weren't on sale, but online they were. And if you just pull up the picture of the thing or like the barcode, they'll scan it, and then they automatically will override the price for you. So if you don't know that, hashtag you're welcome. So then this is the second bag that I got. This is more like a work bag, and I got this because, first of all, I thought it was super cute. It has like the little like pattern here, and then on the back is just plain Jane, so I can wear it either way. So these are cute. And then inside, so I figured I can carry like my laptop and whatever, like work stuff that I have, some pull-ups for Aiden. Like, it's just like my everyday like work bag. And then this also has a long strap as well, so that I can attach it, and then I can also wear it as a crossbody as well. So I thought that was super cute, and it is a neutral color. I love getting anything neutral just because you can wear it with everything. So blacks, grays, creams, those kinds of colors always go, like, they always catch my eye because I can wear them with anything. Also, I got lucky and I found this big boy. So this is just a Born Basic, what does it say? Yeah, Born Basic antibacterial hand sanitizer. So this is like probably the Target brand, but obviously, like, you know, the time we live in right now, we need hand sanitizer. And then I also got this. I got a few of these. So these are just spray hand sanitizers, which is cool because you can just spray it, and then, you know, your hands are clean. So I thought that was cool. I got a few of these. These were, I don't even know how much these were, to be honest, but there's that. And then only at Target, you can only get one per customer, but luckily that girl, it was super slow that day, and she was like, it's fine, just whatever, just like, she didn't really care. So then the next thing I got were these flats. So I got these flats. I am a size 6, in case you guys care. But I got these flats. these weren't on sale or anything, but I thought they were super cute, very spring, like ready for spring. They gave me like the spring vibes or whatever, spring, summertime vibes. And I thought these were cute. You can wear these with like, let me show them again. You can wear these with like ripped jeans and a white tee and be good. You can throw on that, throw this little bag with it, and then you're good. This is literally like my everyday outfit. Always leggings and or ripped jeans, boyfriend jeans, skinny jeans, just any. That's what I was picturing it with, some boyfriend jeans. And yeah, I do have a post on my Instagram where I styled these, and you guys should go check that out. Then what else did I pick up? Okay, so I figured, so let me just put this on. So this is a like shawl looking thingamajig, and it has like the little sleeves here that you can wear. I'll actually throw this on really quickly just so that you guys can get an idea. So I really like oversized anything. So if you don't know me by now, then you'll learn. So this is basically what it is. Okay. So it's just like an oversized thing, like an oversized like shawl kind of thing. So I figured I'd wear this in the summertime. I thought this was super cute. So again, it's nude, it's a neutral color. And I can wear this like with a white t-shirt. I can wear this with kind of anything. Just throw this on and go. So this will be like my little summertime or springtime sweater. So I thought that was cute. And then again, oh, ew, my hair got stuck to my lip gloss. And then again, you can wear that with like anything. So you can wear that, just pair it with some like gold jewelry and then dress it up. You can wear it with some heels and like, you know, just make it good, fashionable. I also got this chain, which I had no business getting, but whatever. I got this gold chain and it's cute, the little detailing on it. It's like a little chandelier kind. It's a dangle chain and I love this. It looks very expensive, but it wasn't. So there's that. I love little like statement pieces like this, because you can dress up any outfit with that, like any casual outfit with like statement pieces. I do have a stylist who is a dear friend of mine, and if you guys want her to be like on my channel, we can kind of collab something, like maybe she could put some outfits together for me, and things like that. Like we can come up with some sort of like something, that way we can get her on, and she can put like outfits together, because I'm not really good with outfits. Like all these things that I got, to be honest, I got them because of how she taught me how to shop. Basically, like you want to buy pieces that to help enhance any outfit that you already have at home. So that's basically like how I go shopping. I do have a boohoo haul coming up after this video, so you guys will see that on things that I picked up like while I shop online, like during quarantine and all that stuff. So there's that. Next, I picked up these markers from Target as well. I got this because I have another video coming up shortly. You guys will see that shortly, but basically it's how I organize. I think I talked about this in my last Target haul, when I bought the post-it notes. So I use that to organize my life basically, and it's very helpful. Obviously I haven't used the markers, but the post-it notes are helping, just so you guys know. I got some aloe vera because obviously we need to stock up. And then here is the other hand sanitizing spray. So like I said, that Target, she happened to be my lucky day because she was nice and was like, it's fine, you can grab them. Like I can purchase them all in one purchase, because she was saying only one per customer. So so next I picked up this white button-up t-shirt or button-down t-shirt for Aiden. So my idea was to obviously, like, every Mother's Day we coordinate, every year on Mother's Day we coordinate an outfit together, or I'll coordinate an outfit together for us to wear so we can take pictures and then whatever, I post them. But so this is the outfit idea that I have. So I'm gonna have him wear this, and then probably one of these jeans, probably this jean, to be honest. The jeans, I don't know, I got them in the clearance section. They were $6, so I got lucky and I found 2 pairs. So these pair of jeans, and it has like the brown, like nudish detailing, which I thought was super cute, which would go good with that hat that I showed you. And then same with these jeans as well. And then the back, same thing, it had like the little tannish detailing as well, and these were also $6, so not bad. All right, then while I was shopping for Aiden, I found him some swimming trunks. These were $4. Everything is on sale, guys. Same thing, $4. Swimming trunks, these have little sharks, and then the other ones had whales on them. And then I got him this little t-shirt. It's a swimming t-shirt, so that he don't burn like on his chest and stuff like that. And then this was $5. They sold them separately. It was sold separately, the 2 pieces. But yeah, so that's what I got from Target. Lastly, what I got, well, 2 things I got from Best Buy. So I bought this from Best Buy. It's the MacBook Air. It's their 13-inch MacBook Air. It's in the rose gold color. So obviously this goes with my aesthetic. I love rose golds. I really like golds, but then throwing in some pink, make it a little girly. I bought that from Best Buy. And then I also got this thing. So basically this connects to the laptop, and then you can plug in any USBs, because the laptop, whatever, you'll see it if you guys look online on Best Buy, but basically the laptop has like these like little ports, and you can't plug in like a normal USB or a normal like iPod charger, things like that. Like it's not the same. So it has, on this side, it has the different USBs, like the standard USBs that everyone would have, and then on this side it has the SD card for my memory card for my camera, and then it has the mini SD card, and then it also has like the chargers like for the iPad and the iPod and whatever. So I thought I needed this actually, because I needed to obviously use that for my camera stuff and like my videos and all that. So this was definitely, I think, like a great investment was the MacBook and the little portable thing. I also got, which Aiden has out there, but it's a case for like my tablet, well, his tablet, because you can't tell him it's not his. But I got that, and then yeah, that's all I got. I think that's a lot. I got a lot of stuff. If you guys, like I said, I am gonna do a boohoo haul, so I'm literally gonna record a boohoo haul right after this. If you guys want to see me throw like outfits together, or want me to do like a collab with a stylist, my stylist friend, then let me know so we can cook something up. Yeah, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment something down below, something that you guys like from getting at Target. I don't even know. And then share this and subscribe, turn on the post notifications. Y'all know the deal already. But yeah, stay tuned for the next one, so don't you go anywhere.